Hello guys, Rob here. The Blockbase Airgrab for EOS account holders is coming soon, starting on October 8th. Blockbase provides secure storage of data in compliance with the security triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. This project has already attained financing from the EU through the Portugal 2020 program, which enabled Blockbase to build a solid and diversified team that since the 8th of October 2018 has been working very hard on the creation of Blockbase. So the first Airgrab for EOS account holders, which starts October 8th, will be the first Airgrab of 24 separate Airgrabs to occur every single month over a 2-year period. Blockbase will have a total of 100 million tokens. 45% of these tokens will be distributed during the first 2 years. And then 10% will be distributed during these 2 years to 2 strategic market makers. If any of these 55% of tokens to distribute still remain after the 2 years of distribution, they will either be burnt or distributed on a final Airgrab with a uniform distribution. Instead of having only one Airgrab, Blockbase will have monthly Airgrabs during a 2-year period, resulting in 24 Airgrabs in total. Each Airgrab will distribute 1/7 of the remaining tokens to distribute. So the first Airgrab will be the largest, and then with each Airgrab after that, that 1/7 continues to get smaller because some of the coins have already been Airgrabbed, so the Airgrab amount will continue to decrease. So I will definitely be making a video letting you guys know when these Airgrabs occur every single month. So if you are interested in that, make sure to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you don't miss it. And also, I'll leave a link in the description to the EOS Airdrops and Airgrabs notification group sign-up page. I will also be sending the email out to those on the notification group list. So if you want to also be notified by email, check out the link in the description and sign up on this page. Continuing on here is the percent distribution and how it'll work. That 1/7 means on the first month, 14.29% of the tokens will be distributed, and then you can see each month after that, that 1/7 number to be distributed gets lower and lower and lower until the 2-year period is up. They also go into the calculations behind the airdrop on this page. I'll leave a link to this below if you want to dive into the actual calculations. And I will leave a link in the description to Blockbase itself. But I just wanted to make you guys aware in this quick video that we do have Airgrabs coming up, and it is of a project that already has financing from the EU through the Portugal 2020 program. So this is an Airgrab I am excited to receive, and like I said, I will be making videos making everyone aware of when this airdrop does open up, starting October 8th, and then every single month after that, so you don't miss your chance to get in on the grab of this project. So again, make sure you're subbed and you got the notification bell clicked on if you haven't done so already. And if you also want to receive Airgrab and airdrop notifications via email, check out the link in the description to the notification group sign up. But that's going to do it for this quick one, guys. Telos Rex is still providing great returns, a 33% 1-year interest rate. And here on the Rex price history, you can see every single day, every single hour, those funds from the Telos Economic Development Plan being sent to Rex holders. If you're not on Telos yet, you want to get your free account and take advantage of these hefty Rex returns, check out the link in the description. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's going to do it for me for this one, guys. I will see you in the next one.